If you want to be an overweight, out of shape, badly dressed, low confidence older guy, then shut this video off because it's not for you. I'm going to show you guys the 7 most effective traits of older guys who get women. These guys are highly respected and sought after even by girls half their age. Your confidence comes naturally. You've been through the ups and downs in life. You've been to the bottom of the bottom.
How come you're scraping the bottom of the barrel?
And the high of the highs. And you develop confidence naturally over time. You're no longer insecure of those little things. You've lived life. You've done different things. You have way more experience than guys that are half your age. That confidence will eventually be built naturally. Now, you can't do it without, communicating with women.
Communication is key.
Doing cool experiences, working on your body, those things are all important to become a truly confident man. But even if you were super insecure growing up, if you're willing to put in the work, when you're 30, 40, 50, you can be a truly confident man in your own skin.
Be confident, be comfortable in your skin, be assured of who you are.
So make sure this is something you cultivate and work on. You don't want to be the guy who's 50 and still not confident and truly believing in himself. Older men have a ton of life experiences. They could have traveled the world, been all over South America, traveled to Europe. They could have hiked Mount Everest.
I'm climbing Mount Everest.
They could live in a really nice apartment in the middle of downtown, drive a nice sports car on the Amalfi Coast. They've experienced a ton. And with more experience comes better leadership and storytelling abilities. And these are 2 things that women find extremely attractive in a man.
Oh, that girl's extremely attractive.
Think about it like this. Even in the bedroom, a woman wants a truly experienced man. She doesn't want to have to show you what she's doing. Women want to be led. They want you to show them things. They don't want to be the one doing all this heavy lifting on their end. Women love a guy that they can truly plug in with.
When I wake up, I plug in the grill.
And they can rely on his leadership skills, his past live experiences, and experience those new things with him. Guys, if you need extra help with your dating life, approach anxiety, learning how to flirt, learning how to date higher quality women, book a free 30-minute coaching call in the pinned comments below where me and Jesse will get you sorted. Being an older guy means you need to take care of yourself.
You take care of yourself.
If you can eat healthy, if you can actually weight train a few times a week and keep on a good amount of muscle mass, women go crazy for this. You have a ton of optionality if you take care of your body, especially because most men, 90%, really start letting their health decline, their physical fitness decline after 35 years old.
I'm getting old. You're just as beautiful and crazy as ever.
They're not hitting the gym as much. They're not eating as healthy. They're kind of just accepting their fate as I'm getting old, I'm deteriorating, and it is what it is. Don't be that guy. Go to the sauna. Do that ice plunge. Watch what you're eating. Be in the top 1% of guys in physical attributes when you're older, and you're gonna have the pick of the litter.
You take the pick of the litter and the rest get folded into bacon.
Especially with women who are 35 to 50 years old, because those women are more desperate to find a good, attractive guy who has his stuff together and looks good. You will be the cream of the crop for those women.
Harry, Albert, and his team are cream of the crop.
They will be throwing themselves at you. Some of the most successful men in history don't look that great. Growing up, they had a ton of insecurities, and that led them to be the more successful, confident guy they are in their older age. Look at Elon Musk. Look at Bill Gates. Look at Casanova. These weren't particularly good-looking men, but they were still extremely successful with women.
I can see why you're so successful with women.
And still have women throwing themselves at them till this day. When you're an older guy, you have to have a good sense of style. Gone are the days of t-shirts, shorts, and flip-flops. You're not that dude anymore.
You're not that guy anymore.
And a lot of guys leave this to the wayside. They don't progressively get a better wardrobe. They don't buy timepieces that they can wear to social events. They just look sloppy. They give in. They're wearing those New Balance dad shoes, and no woman was ever attracted to that type of outfit. So get a good wardrobe. Have a few good timepieces.
But you really should get a watch.
Those pieces can last you 20 years. A really well-fitted suit, some really nice leather loafers, a really nice button-down shirt. Those things are timeless. Always wear them. Especially as you grow older, you should really have a strong sense of style, a strong sense of what you want to communicate through the way you dress. So make sure you clean up the wardrobe.
I have a complaint about the wardrobe.
And really look the part and grow into being that older gentleman. Older guys I coach always seem to get really good results because they are great listeners. service. They've gone through their whole life working through the corporate ladder, getting advice from other people. When they come to a professional for a service, they always listen. And you know what the biggest cheat code is to dating and sleeping with attractive women? Is being a good listener, because she will give you the blueprint to seduce her.
I need to get laid.
So if you're truly a good listener, it's a game changer. I know a lot of guys, especially younger men, they just want to run through a couple of phrases, pickup lines, and they don't actually listen to what the woman's saying to them. Women love a guy who can listen because it shows he truly cares and that he's truly engaged in the conversation with her.
Gotta have a casual conversation first. Hello.
Don't neglect this, because listening is the fastest way to get her in the bed. The last and final one old men have is they know what they want. Gone are the days of dealing with women who don't text them back, women who aren't that interested or invested with them. They kick those women to the curb and make time for women who are just as interested as he is. Older guys in their 40s and 50s know they really only have a solid 25 years left in the dating scene, so they don't want to put up with that BS. They are always going to prioritize that woman who prioritizes them. It's just human nature. The older you get, the less BS you want to put up with. Guys, thank you for watching the video. If you watched this long, hit the subscribe button and check the bio for our free Discord community where we're helping guys get their first date for free.